Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding moment of force. For example, a uniform wheel of 800 mm diameter weighing 10 kilonewton rests against a rigid rectangular block of 200 mm height as shown in figure. Find the least pull through the center of the wheel required to turn the wheel over the corner A of the block. Also find the reaction on the block. Consider all surfaces are smooth. Here, look at this figure. Here, the wheel of diameter 800 mm. So you have to apply a force through center, the direction of P, apply force P, and it should turn like this. For that, how much force, least force required to turn the wheel? Now, let us start the problem now. The diameter of the wheel, dia of wheel equal 800 mm, and weight of the wheel equal 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton, and height of the block 200 mm. Now let P is there. Let P is equal least pull required to just turn the wheel, to just turn the wheel. Wheel in kilonewton. Then now consider little consideration on this figure. You have to make a force diagram like now. Here consider triangle A, B and C. Here the pulling force is this direction, P Newton, kilonewton, and here diameter of the wheel is 800. So we have to, the radius is 400 mm. 400 mm is here, as well as reaction R is like this direction, and let it be theta here. Now the weight of the wheel is 10 kilonewton. BC is height of the block is 200 mm. This is now in this figure sine theta equal 200 over 400, which is equal half. Theta equal sine inverse half is 30 degrees. Now AB by Pythagoras, AB equal square root of 400 minus 400 minus 200 square, which is equal 400 square minus 300 square equals square root is 264 264.58 mm. Now taking moments about A, taking moments about the point A, taking moments about A is what 10. This one is 264.58. Here taking moments about A, first P multiplied 400, P multiplied 400 equal 10, that is 10 kilonewton multiplied 264.58 264.58, then P equal the force, minimum force required to pull 10, required to turn the wheel is 10 into 264.58 over 400 equal 10 multiplied to 64.58 divide 400 equal 6.612 kilonewton. Therefore, minimum force, minimum pull or minimum force required to turn the wheel. Therefore, minimum force required turn the wheel against the wall, against the block, against the block equal 6.612 kilonewton. Next, let us calculate reaction at point A. Means we have to find reaction between the tip of the block and the point on the wheel. Here, this point you have to find reaction. So let R let R equal a reaction on the block reaction on the block in kilonewton. Here, resolving force horizontally, resolving forces horizontally, resolving forces horizontally, we can get r cos 30, because theta is 30 here, r cos 30 plus p cos p cos 180 minus 30 plus p cos 180 minus 30 equals 0 here. Therefore, r cos 30 here, p 180 minus 30 is p sin p cos 180 minus 30 is sin 30, but negative sin 30. Now r cos 30, therefore cos 30 value is 0.866 r equal p sin 30. Now we got a value p is 6.612, therefore r equal 6.612 into sin 30 over 0.866. Now 6.612 into sin 30 is 0.5 divided by 0.866 equal reaction R is equal 3.82 kilonewton. Now the reaction, we have to reaction on the block due to turning of the wheel against the block. This at point this, the reaction is this much kilonewton. Reaction is 3.82 kilonewton. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.